Welcome to the all again in a fourth parts of class 9th chapter 2, that is physical feature of India. Dear students, in the first parts I covered the plate tectonic movements as well as Indian land mass. In the third parts I covered the major physiographical divisions, that is the Himalaya mountains, the northern plains and the peninsula plateaus. Today I am going to start the next major physiographical division, that is Indian deserts, and the fifth one the coastal plains, and the sixth one the islands. See, this is the particular location of Indian deserts: Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, as well as the island Lakshadweep, as well as the Andaman Nicobar island. Now the fourth one, the Indian deserts. See, this is the particular location of Indian deserts. These Rajasthans share their own state boundary with Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and the Punjabs. These Rajasthan's desert starts from to the Aravalli mountain range towards the west. And exact westward of these deserts there is the Pakistan countries. The Indian deserts lie towards the western margin of the Aravalli hills. It is a sandy plains covered with the sand dunes. This region received very low rainfall, below 150 millimeter per year, and this has a dry climate with a low vegetation cover. Cactus trees, thorny bushes, plants especially found in these regions. Now the fifth one, the coastal plain regions. The coastal plain is a flat, low-lying piece of land next to the ocean, to the east and the west of Peninsula Plateau. Two narrow strips of plains lands are found, which are respectively called Eastern Coastal Plain and the Western Coastal Plains. The students, see the coastal plains. There are the two types of a coastal plain. First one is the Western Coastal Plain and the Eastern Coastal Plain regions. Now the first one, the Eastern Coastal Plain regions. Eastern Coastal Plain regions is lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. This entire green portion is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain region, which is start from to the Swarnarekha rivers up to the Kanyakumari, up to the Kanyakumaris. The Eastern Coastal Plain is a wide stretch of the landmass lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. In the northern parts, it is referred as the Northern Sircar. This entire is what the Northern Sircar. While the southern part is known as the Coromandel Coast. Southern coastal region is known as the Coromandel Coastal Plain regions. The large rivers such as the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveris has formed extensive delta on this coast. Lake Chilka is an important feature along the eastern coastal, and this is the particular location of a Chilka lake. Yes, it lies where in a Odisha. Now the Western Coastal Plain region. Now the Western Coastal Plain region. The student see in this particular figures. These northern western Ghats lie between the southern parts of Gujarat, means from to the Mumbai up to the direct Goa. This entire Ghat is known as the Western Ghats, northern western Ghats. And in between northern western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, there is the western coastal plain region, northern western coastal plain region, and this northern western coastal plain region is known as the Konkan. From to the Goa to the southern parts of Karnataka, this entire coastal plain region is known as the Kannada coastal plain regions, and the southern words, the Kerala. This entire coastal plain region is known as the Malabar coastal plain regions. See, the western coastal is sandwiched between to the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is a narrow plains and consists of three sections as mentioned below. The first one is the northern parts of the coastal is called the Konkan, which is lie between Mumbai and the Goa. Second one, the central stretch is called the Kannada Plains, and the third one is the Malabar coast, which is lie in southern parts of the India. Now the next one, the islands. In India is the piece of the subcontinent's land that is surrounded by the water. The Lakshadweep Islands group is composed of small coral islands which is were earlier known as the Lakshadweep, Minicoy and the Amandivs. In 1973, these were named as Lakshadweep. They covered at a small area of 32 square kilometers. Karavati Islands is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. In this group, the PT Island has bird sanctuary which is inhabited. See students, this is the particular location of Lakshadweep in this map. Lakshadweep is lie in Arabian Sea and it's very close from to the Cochin. Cochin means what? The Madras. This is the port in Madras. This is the particular location of Lakshadweep. The next ones, the entire group of island is divided into two categories. The first one is the Andaman in the north and the Nicobar into the south. There are two chain of densely forest islands. The Andamans are bigger in size. They are more numerous and scattered. The entire group of island is divided into two broad categories. The Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. These islands are believed to be unevaluated portions of submarine mountains. This southernmost tip of these islands, called Indira Point, is more south than the Indian mainland. India's only active volcano is formed on Buran Island in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is a great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands. They lie close to equator and experience equatorial climate with thick forest covers. Just students, see in this particular map. This is the particular location of Andaman Nicobar Islands, and these Andaman Nicobar Islands divide 10 degree channels, means the 10-degree latitudes lines. Northern portion is known as the Andaman, and southern the portion of island is known as the Nicobar Islands. This is the physical feature of India's map. The students see this, the entire northern part is covered by the Himalayas. There are the three parallel mountain ranges. The Himadri, next one is the Lesser Himalaya, means Himachal Himalaya, and the Shivalik mountain range. And from to the west to the east, Himalaya also are divided, which is the demarcated by the rivers. Punjab Himalaya, next one is the Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, and the Assam Himalaya. Next one is see downsides the Chambal, then to the Sindh. These all rivers are the tributary of Yamuna, and Yamuna is the tributary of Ganga rivers. And in northern words, Ghagra, Gandak, as well as the Kushi is the tributary of Ganga rivers. And these Ganga rivers create northern plain regions. Then this is the Aravalli mountain range. From to Aravalli toward the west, this entire part is known as the Great Indian Deserts. In southern words, the Satpura mountain range and the Vindhya mountain range. The Tapi rivers, especially these regions, divide India into two parts, northern parts of India and southern parts of India. The student, this is the particular Chota Nagpur Plateau regions, Bundelkhand and the Bagel Khanda regions, which is the part of Central Highlands. Southernward there is the Deccan Plateaus, the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and the Eastern Coastal Plain region and the Western Coastal Plain regions. And Andaman Nicobar Island, this is the last physical division of India, and the Lakshadweep in the Bay of Arabian Sea. Dear students, read this map very carefully for a better understanding this chapter. Thank you.